This next stretch is very similar in the setup as the stretch for the upper trapezius. This time we're going to target the levator scapula. Again, we want to set ourselves up in the center of the chair, right? Draw the belly in and sit up strongly. This time we're going to take our right hand and actually take it behind our body like we're tucking it into our opposite back pocket. Draw the shoulder down and away and set the shoulder blade. And then as we did before, we're just going to tilt the ear towards the shoulder. This time what we're actually going to do is drop the chin a little bit. So we're thinking about bringing the top of the forehead in the direction of the knee. You can also think about bringing your eye gaze towards your armpit. And again, this is going to give us a stretch up through the back of the neck into the back of the head. Again, maintain a nice, slow, comfortable breathing pattern and hold this stretch for 30 seconds. In addition, if you like, you can actually apply just a bit of pressure with the hand if you choose. But once again, we're only holding this position to the point of tension and not to the point of pain. This stretch is for the muscles of the upper trapezius. And we can do this stretch in almost any setting, and it's really great for the office setting as well because all you really need is a chair. So you want to pick a chair where you are able to sit in the middle of it so that you can use your own strength to support your spine rather than using the backrest. Sitting up nice and tall, we're looking for about 90 degrees at the hip and 90 degrees at the knee. What we're going to do from here then is just draw the shoulder down and away from our ear on the right hand side. Sometimes it helps to actually hold on to the side of the chair to do this. And then just very gently, we're just going to draw the ear on the other side towards the shoulder. And this is creating length down the side of the neck and into the top of the shoulder. If it feels comfortable, you can actually apply just a little bit of gentle pressure, but it's important not to push to the point of pain. We want to maintain just a slow, comfortable breathing pattern, and we want to hold this stretch for about 30 seconds. Once we've done that, we would like to repeat it 2 more times and then do the other side. This stretch is for your latissimus dorsi muscles, 2 of the bigger muscles of your back. What we're going to do is set up against any wall. We're going to step back maybe about 3 feet or so. And then tipping over from the hip, we're going to place our hands on the wall about shoulder distance apart. It's really important here that you draw the belly towards the spine and keep it braced so that the low back is supported. From this position, all we're going to do is just push the hips out and back behind us and just let the chest fall through the shoulders as we lengthen out down the sides of our body. Once again, we want to maintain a nice neutral breathing pattern, slow and controlled, and we want to hold this stretch for about 30 seconds. This is a stretch that we can do to improve posture that will stretch primarily the muscles of the pectorals in the front of the chest and also the anterior deltoid. And it can be done almost anywhere that you can find a door frame. So it's a perfect stretch to do within the office setting. What we're going to do is set up in the middle of the doorway and place an arm on each side of the door frame, looking for about 90 degrees at the shoulder and 90 degrees at the elbow to begin. Placing both hands up, we'll step forward with one leg, draw the belly in to support the spine, and draw the shoulders away from the ears. And this just gently press the chest through the shoulders and through the door frame. We want to hold this stretch for about 30 seconds. We can also make some adjustments to this stretch by placing the elbows slightly higher or slightly lower. These options stretch different portions of the chest. If you find that the door frame is too wide, you can also do this stretch one single side at a time.